Ole tuntum video chuan exercise 3.1 question number 8 nakha karon sei fiale dona question kha en masaila exercise 3.1 question number 8. If 10 of the polynomial a square plus 9x square plus 13x plus 6a is a reciprocal of the other, find the value of a. It means here coefficient of x square my number to a square plus 9 here, and coefficient of x my number we have plus 13, the constant term 6a. He tilai 6a hi constant term ania. Hemi 6a le coefficient of x square to a square plus 9. Hey hi kan mantur achan chu enge kan zondon find the value of a value. Hemi a value hi kan zondon abangin hey le hey hi kan mang don ani mo sum hi kan mang re don lo hemi question b ga chun. Okay, let's write solution here. Solution. Since we don't know the zeros of this polynomial, let's write let alpha and see here one of the zero is reciprocal of the other. That means if one of our zero is alpha, kan zero x value pakhat joka alpha ani chuan adang pakhat le chu engen yang say is reciprocal of the other. That means alpha reciprocal will be 1 by alpha. Ingwangin nge 1 by alpha le alpha hi kan lak alpha hi x value pakhat jok khalonita se adang pakhat le chu reciprocal of the other. Question in ron ti wangin alpha reciprocal kan manangai chu 1 by let alpha and 1 by alpha be the zeros of the polynomial. The zeros of the polynomial. Okay, then now we know that product of zeros is equal to, since these are our zeros, it will be let's say this is one of our zero and then this will be another zero, alpha into 1 by alpha, and this will equal to what? This will equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Okay, let's write here constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Okay, hey hi ama pokhan kan question masalama kan toto atang thau khan ta product of zeros ching ting kan lakthin alpha plus beta alpha into beta kan tia ta hianin beta aya nge kan le question in reciprocal of the other aron ti wangin hemi hi kan beta value chun ta ni 1 by alpha kamo alpha hi x value pakhat jo kanya 1 by alpha hi x value dang le khanita. So product of zeros will be, you have to multiply these two product and it's on hey le hey puntir to tinania to hey hinitani tra, and then this is equal to what? Hey yanenga to kantika constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Ipo hi question number 3 te question number 1 te pokhan kan mangna sa tra ani chon engen ita ang here. Let's write it implies alpha into 1 by alpha, this is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Constant term in this case is what? Constant term is the one which doesn't have this x variable. Okay, x variable ni value ho khan mai ta to 6a. Here our constant term is 6a divided by coefficient of x square. In this case, in this polynomial, our coefficient of x square will be x square ma number omkha a square plus 9. It will be a square plus 9. Okay. On solving this, we will get this a value. A value hi kan nei to nya. Ma achan chu find the value of a. A zong ro kharon ti wang. Let's solve here. See, this and this, alpha and alpha, eliminate this. Kan cancel nga. What will remain here? Only 1 will remain. 1 chia bang to ang. Then here 6a square plus 9. Okay. Heta hian en let ta ila right side, left side ta hian 1 kan na ya, right side ta 6a by a square plus 9. A value kan zon do na wangin hi ange left side ta mi le right side ta mi kan la kop ba kanga a right side hi 0 ada to nya. So here you have to multiply this 1 and a square plus 9. Why should we do 6a square plus 9 to the left side of equal to, since here it is divide on the right side, go side it will be multiply. 1 multiply a square plus 9 equal to 6a. Again, sin is the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity omzia chu eng number pian I multiply chon a number coming ai thau kha choglon ta po hianin 1 in kan multiply chon hi thau hiron choglon mo achan chu 1 is the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity ni wang here a square plus 9 equal to 6a. Then a plus 9 equal to 6a. 6a here right side mi zong zong his left side lama kan la pheve kang. How? See here a square, this 6a on the right side it is positive here, so to shift this to the left side, this positive sign will change to negative 6a, then this plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, now using we have to split the middle term. Here is minus 6a, constant term is 9, and here we have a square. So we can split the middle. How to split? You have to take product, sum, and number. Here in this case our product will be 9 multiply coefficient of a square. Coefficient of a square here we have 1. Okay, 9, 1 is 9, it is plus 9. Then sum is coefficient of a, that is minus 6. Then number will be on multiplying you should get this 9, on adding or subtracting you should get minus 6. This is there is or something I mean number lag dan kan mang kan say la tu na hinan say putang hey product positive ani a sum kha negative ani chon I number pani mo number pani ilak tur kha alien jo ka negative. How? On multiply number pani khan multiply that 2 into 3 into 3 kha 9 ania tro chon hey ta hi chon a multiply in 9 cho ka ma se hey minus ta la nge 3 minus 3 to 0 ni do na ma se apa hian minus le taila minus 6 hi chok thei ni mo hemi bi ka chon apa hian minus ni minus 3 minus 3. Okay, ani lo pon 9 hi pan hi a siam to dinania chu 3 le 3 tho siam ngai I pon tirin 9 tho hi chok to rania I belin 6 hi chok to rania ma se assign hi minus ani wangin hele hi minus sign ni put tirangai. So here a square minus 3a minus 3a plus 9 equal to 0. Then take common from the first two terms and from the last two terms. From the first two terms, here we have a, here also a, so a is common here. A minus 3 from the last two terms. Since 9 is the multiple of 3, so this 3 will be common here. A minus 3 equal to 0. Why this minus here? To get this plus 9, you need minus 3 here. Okay, if you multiply minus 3 and minus 3, you will get plus 9. For that, we need minus here. Then collect this a and minus 3, and this also a minus 3 equal to 0. So a value will be either a minus 3 equal to 0 or a minus 3 equal to 0. Then if we shift this minus 3 to the right side of equal to, this negative sign will change to positive, or here also a equal to 3. Okay, see, hence we can conclude here, hence a is equal to 3. Okay. Once again, here we have a question. If 1 0 of the polynomial a squared plus 9x squared plus 13x plus 6a is a reciprocal of the other. Here 0 means x value. 0 condition x value say na kanya. One of the 0 is reciprocal of the other. That means 1 0 we let alpha be one of the zeros. Then another zeros will be 1 by alpha, since it is reciprocal of the other. Then we know that product of zeros, that means we have to multiply these two, alpha into 1 by alpha. That is product of zeros. It is equal to what? Constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Actually, here our constant term is 6a and coefficient of x square is a square plus 9. Okay, then alpha into 1 by alpha, this is equal to constant term is 6a and coefficient of x square is a square plus 9, a square plus 9. Okay, then eliminate this alpha and alpha, only 1 will remain on the left side. Then the right side, 6a by a square plus 9. See, this a square plus 9 on the right side of this equal to is at the denominator. So to shift this a square plus 9 to the left of this equal to, it will be multiplied. Why it will be multiplied? Because here it is divide. Eta hianin right side divide in omvangin, left side aron kaljon multiply kalang. True. Then as we know that 1 is the multiplicative identity, it means if we multiply any number with 1, you will get that same number only. So here also a square plus 9 into 1 will be a square plus 9. Then the right side plus 6a. This plus 6a also we have to shift to the left of this equal to. Then since it is positive here, on taking to the left side, it will be minus 6a. In the right side will be 0 now, because nothing is left here. So a square minus 6a plus 9 equal to 0. It means we have to split this middle term to get this a value. So here, to split middle, we need product, sum and number. Here our product is constant term multiply coefficient of a square. Coefficient of a square in this case is 1. Then constant term is plus 9. 9 into 1 is plus 9. Again, S stand for sum. Sum in this case is coefficient of a, that is minus 6. Then N stand for number. Two numbers on multiplying, you should get this. On adding or subtracting, should be minus 6. So minus 3 into minus 3, if you multiply this, you will get plus 9. Or if you add this, you will get minus 6. This will be the two numbers. Then a square minus 3a minus 3a. Why it is minus 3a minus 3a. See, a is common here in this case. Okay, then if we add these two, you will get minus 6a only, then plus 9 constant term. So take common from the first two term and from the last two term. From the two term, from a square, as a already came out here, 1 remain here, then this minus 3 will remain here. Then from the last two term, since 9 is the multiple of this 3, so 3 will be common, then a remain here, then here also remain. Why it is here positive, this plus 9, you need minus sign here. If you multiply minus and minus, it became positive. So minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. Okay, then collect this and this, a minus 3, and from the bracket take 1, a minus 3. So either a value is this one or this one, both are same. Okay, both will be positive 3. So a positive 3 here, plus 3. Okay, then your homework will be question number 7. This will be your homework. You have to solve this. This is similar to with question number 3. Yes, question number 3. Then after getting polynomials, you have to find its zeros. That means you have to find x value also. X value po in zong le nga lang splitting middle term mangin mo in muthailo ni chuanin a polynomial theng kha non zero ne oh, you have to write polynomials for these two product and sum. Okay, I hit in homework. Thank you.